Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the carnivore diet for energy. The carnivore diet is a diet that consists of only meat, fish, and animal products. It's a very simple diet, but it can be very effective for improving energy levels. What is the carnivore diet? The carnivore diet is a relatively new diet that has been gaining popularity in recent years. It's based on the idea that humans are carnivores and that we should only eat foods that our ancestors would have eaten. The diet consists of only meat, fish, and animal products. There are no fruits, vegetables, grains, or processed foods. How does the carnivore diet work? The carnivore diet works by eliminating foods that can cause inflammation and digestive problems. When you eat a diet that's high in inflammatory foods, like processed foods, grains, and sugar, it can lead to fatigue, brain fog, and other health problems. The carnivore diet eliminates these foods and replaces them with nutrient-rich animal products. This can help to improve your overall health and energy levels. What are the benefits of the carnivore diet for energy? There are a number of benefits of the carnivore diet for energy. First, the diet can help to reduce inflammation. Inflammation is a major cause of fatigue, and the carnivore diet can help to reduce inflammation by eliminating inflammatory foods. Second, the carnivore diet can help to improve your gut health. A healthy gut is essential for energy production, and the carnivore diet can help to improve your gut health by eliminating foods that can cause digestive problems. Third, the carnivore diet can help to improve your metabolism. A healthy metabolism is essential for energy production, and the carnivore diet can help to improve your metabolism by providing your body with the nutrients it needs to function properly. How to implement the carnivore diet for energy? If you're interested in trying the carnivore diet for energy, there are a few things you need to do. First, you need to eliminate all plant foods from your diet. This includes fruits, vegetables, grains, and processed foods. Second, you need to focus on eating nutrient-rich animal products. This includes meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. Third, you need to make sure you're getting enough water. Water is essential for energy production, and you'll need to drink more water on the carnivore diet than you did before. Common mistakes to avoid on the carnivore diet. There are a few common mistakes to avoid on the carnivore diet. First, you should avoid processed meat. Processed meat is high in sodium and other unhealthy additives. Second, you should avoid eating too much fat. Fat is a good source of energy, but too much fat can lead to weight gain. Third, you should avoid eating too much protein. Protein is also a good source of energy, but too much protein can put a strain on your kidneys. Conclusion: the carnivore diet can be a very effective way to improve your energy levels. If you're looking for a way to boost your energy, the carnivore diet is worth considering. Just be sure to talk to your doctor before starting the diet, and make sure you're doing it safely.